Nowadays, fraudsters have devised numerous ways to steal important data like personal info or payment card information and then make purchases online. SMS verification, which requires a mobile phone number for authentication, can secure your e-commerce store from frauds. However, developing the SMS verification system from scratch is impractical and time-consuming. FraudLabs Pro Fraud Detection API for SMS verification, which can automate the SMS verification process without the need of your manual intervention, is your solution. It is an API that allows you to integrate SMS messaging into your existing e-commerce store for sending SMS messages quickly and automatically. How does the FraudLabs Pro Fraud Detection API for SMS verification work? Firstly, a user enters his phone number during the sign-up, login, or checkout process. FraudLabs Pro SMS Verification API sends the user a one-time passcode OTP code to the phone number entered. Then the user enters the OTP code and submits it for verification. If the OTP code entered is correct, the SMS verification is successful. Secure your online business now by trying FraudLabs Pro Fraud Detection API for SMS verification, as it is fast, reliable, and easy to integrate. Learn more at fraudlabspro.com.